So this is a tutorial of how to disassemble your head unit to install the Comma AI 2. So first thing, this is a Subaru Ascent. Lots of people have questions on how to do this. So you want to open up this little box right here where you have store your sunglasses. And then inside there will be two bolts right here. I already took them out. So after you took out the bolts, you want to come up here and use your finger tip to just pull down real hard like that. There are 4 clamps. Just kind of hold this plastic here. So as you can see, you pull down this whole unit. And on the right side, there is a connection for the eyesight system. You unplug that. And then go ahead and reach your Comma AI 2 connection harness. Just plug into this. Like that. And then plug this end into the head unit. And there you have it.